Hello students, welcome to my class. In today's class, we are going to discuss about the questions related of the skeletal system and most important questions are discussed here for all medical entrance exams. Okay, right. So first question, we start with first question. Vertebral formula of human being. So in the given options, when you observe, we know that the cervical vertebra are 7 and the thoracic are nothing but the ribs where the thoracic are connected to ribs 12. So in the given options C7 T12, it is nothing but answer C. Smallest bone in the human body. So the middle ear bones malleus, incus and stapes. So the stapes is the smallest bone. Odontoid process belongs to. Okay, so humerus, it is not related. Atlas is first vertebra and it is freely rotated on the second vertebra, nothing but the axis. Okay, means the axis contains the odontoid process, so it provides space for the rotation of the atlas. So the answer is C. Cranium is not correct. Ribs are connected to the sternum by the tips of the ribs, they are made by the cartilage. So directly you can choose the answer. False ribs are, so in the human beings 12 pairs of ribs are there. First 7 pairs are true ribs, and 8th to 10th pairs are the false ribs, and 11th and 12th are floating ribs. So the answer is C. Scapula belongs to. Scapula means shoulder blade. It belongs to pectoral girdle. It is one part of the pectoral girdle. Next, S-shaped bone of pectoral girdle is. So coracoid process, no. It is the part of the scapula where the muscles are attached. Scapula is shoulder blade. No suprascapula. Clavicle. Clavicle is the collarbone. So it is the S-shaped bone of pectoral girdle. So the answer is C. Number of bones in the forelimbs. So directly you can choose 30. Largest foramen in the skeleton. In the entire skeleton, largest foramen. Foramen magnum means where the brain comes as vertebral column. So spinal cord. So foramen magnum. The other name of the foramen magnum is occipital foramen. So aberrated foramen. So this is the hole present in the pelvic girdle. So acetabulum, no, where the thigh bone is located, that space is called acetabulum. So in the given option C, it is the largest foramen. Phalangeal formula of hand is, so directly you can choose 2, 3, 3, 3, 3. Okay, so except the thumb remained all, they contain 3 bones. So the B is the correct answer. Number of bones in the lower limb. So in the hand and also in the legs, the number of bones are 30. Autoimmune disease among these. Osteoarthritis, it is loss of cartilage, and gouty arthritis, accumulation of uric acid in the joints. Rheumatoid arthritis, so it is the autoimmune disease. Bursitis, it is not related. Okay, next, progressive damage of the neuromuscular function, weakening and paralysis of the skeletal muscles are the symptoms of gouty arthritis. Just we discussed. Herniated disc means the slide disc, otherwise the dislocated disc. Osteoarthritis, just now we discussed. So the last option is myasthenia gravis. So it is the answer. So students, if this video is useful to you, please share to your friends and keep watching Shodhana YouTube channel for more biology videos. Thank you students.